Is your iPhone telling you that your storage is almost full? When that happens, your iPhone may no longer work properly. Certain apps may not open, may not be able to take photos. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 easy fixes to regain that space from your iPhone and your iPad too. No technical skills required. So let's get started. I'm Karen and I teach everyday users how to use their technology. Tip 1. Check what's using your storage. To do that, let's open up Settings. Let's go down to General. Once you're in General, tap iPhone Storage. It's right here. When you tap iPhone Storage, the box on the top shows you a color bar. Shows you system data, messages, photo, music, and other downloaded files. Scroll down and you'll see which apps are using the most space on your phone. If you see apps you never use anymore as you're scrolling, then you can delete them easily. So if I see an app I don't want to use anymore, I can press Offload App or Delete App, and then I can confirm and press Delete. Now that saves me some space on my device. Sometimes one app is using several gigabytes without you even realizing it. So this screen will help you decide where you can regain space on your device. Right now, I see that most of my storage is being used by applications. I also have recommendations that I can save up to almost 7 gigabytes by reviewing downloaded videos and audio recordings, and I can delete them. Some of them may even be duplicates. One of the biggest eaters of space on your phone is actually in your messages. How many times do you send a friend a message and you include a GIF or a video or something else that does take up a lot of space? Now, sometimes you'll get something and you'll download it, so it'll appear in your camera roll by saving it, but then you have it twice. So I recommend that you go to Review Large Attachments. You can press Edit, click on it. Once you click on it, you can press the garbage can, and now it's no longer on my phone. So here's another tip. Tip 2. Delete apps you don't really need. So to do that, go to your app library. Put your finger in the search button at the top, and you can scroll through the apps that you have. And if you see any that you don't need anymore, you can easily press on them and press Delete App. My recommendation is just remove the apps you no longer need anymore. If you're not using them, ask yourself, do you need them? Tip 3, clean up photos and videos. In this section, I'm going to show you how to open up your Photos app, look for duplicate photos, blurry pictures that you really don't need to save, screenshots that you may have taken to remember this or that, you don't need them anymore, or any long videos that really, do you really need them? You decide. Deleting just a few large videos can make a huge difference in the space, in the storage that you're using on your phone or on your iCloud. So let's see how that works. We're going to go to Photos. I'll type in Photos. And I'm going to go to Collections. Once I'm in Collections, scroll down to Screenshots, and then go through and select any you don't need and press the garbage can to delete. Now you can go through and take your time. You can open them up, decide what you need, what you don't need, and get rid of them. You can also go to Utilities and go to Duplicates. And you'll see that, wow, you didn't even know there were duplicates. So when you have 2 photos and they're duplicates, just press Merge and just go through and merge them. And you will be saving lots of space. Okay, so now I've gone through my photos. I've gotten rid of all those unnecessary photos and videos. The last thing you want to do is go to recently deleted, and you want to actually delete it. So click on it. When you're on this page, it's a little tricky to figure out how to delete your recently deleted photos, here's what you do. Press select, press the three dots, press delete all right there, and then press delete from all devices, and they're gone. If I go back to my settings, I've gotten rid of a good amount of stuff, and I can keep going. Did you know your web browser also stores data over time? And so it's a good idea once in a while to go into your settings and clear it out. Let me show you how. Open up settings, scroll all the way to the bottom to apps and open that. And then search apps for Safari right here and open it up. Once you're in Safari, we will scroll all the way down until you get to the history and website data section. You're going to see clear history and website data. Let's press it. And you can do all history, or you can just do last hour, today, or today and yesterday. And then you can also close all your tabs. I like my tabs open, but it's a good way to reset every once in a while. Anyway, I can say, let me clear my history for the last hour. Or you can do all history and press clear history, and then it's gone. And there's one last tip. Go back to settings to general and then iPhone storage. Make sure you pay attention to the recommendations. Press show all and then go through. You can make a decision if you want to optimize your storage for maps, delete old conversations on messages, review your large attachments on messages, or review downloaded material. The nice thing about the recommendations is it'll tell you exactly, how much space you're saving. If your iPhone storage is almost full, this is a good thing to do. Maybe do it every few months, and then you'll stay on top of your device's storage. Try them today, and you may be surprised how much storage you recover. And if you enjoy my simple iPhone tips, please click below. Subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I have new content out. Join my channel if you want to have early access to my videos, and leave a comment below. What would you like to see next?